So hello everybody, welcome back to brand new episode of Stick War Like oh god, okay. That just comes out of my mouth again. Okay. Oh, this is Halloween event, I see. Play? Wait, what's in the settings that I can okay, whatever. Play. This must be the event stage. Yay! What's this event stage? Whatever. What's in our card capsule? Try once. Let's see what crazy things we get. It's a Titan cat again. No, I don't want Titan cat. Change to XP, please. Yes. Okay, back. Whatever. Missions. Claim. Claim. You don't have any more missions. Okay, menu. Chat guide. I can't even see any. It's totally black. Okay, filter. I don't know anything. Meow medals? Oh, there's all kinds of things there. Why is it showing me a black screen? I don't like that. But anyways, let's start. What? Loving labor. What? Okay. Yes. Let's just continue the campaign. Okay. So what did we get? We've got. Oh, we didn't remove this guy. Okay, we've got little tank cat now. I like the little ones. They're good looking. I like them. Start. Australia. We're gonna be attacking Australia. I see. I wonder what's wrong with Australia. Change units. Okay. Wait. Let's see if no. We need to pull out tank. Little tank cat. I repeat, little. Okay, please, little tank cat. Oh my god, he's so small. I wonder if he'll have the power. And I'll send two of these. They're just chewing on him. Oh my god, he doesn't have as much health. Oh, that's kind of bad. Okay, that's very bad. Okay. Can we do something? Yes. Oh, they almost brought us to half health. Okay, let's get a tank cat. And I want to upgrade. Oh, there's that little... How expensive is Rocker Cat? Oh, Pirate Cat is way too expensive, okay. That's gonna take some time. Okay, now let's get Rocker Cat because he's Rock Boy. Okay. Why doesn't the little versions have the same health? I mean, I understand. They are little, so they are weaker. We got Rocker Cat himself. We got Rocker Man. Oh, he's going crazy with his hair. Oh, he's going crazy with his hair. He's going way too crazy with his hair. And I like it. I like when the people get crazy with their hair. I mean, when cats get crazy with their hair. Oh, he might himself do it. His attack speed is unbearable. He is unmatched. He's too great. Well, if he is still great. Oh no! Rocker Cat is dead. It's such a sad sight to see. Now let's get one more Pirate Cat. Effect? I don't even know that effect. Okay, now let's just get one more of these. What we call them? These guys. And now let's get using all the weaponized units. Because we love using weaponized units. Okay, now let's use one of these guys, the $200 one. And let's use Rocker Cat. Oh my god, Pirate Cat has a long cooldown. Okay, wow! Pirate Cat must do a lot of damage then. If he's really that much. He must be doing a lot of damage. Wait, let's see if we can upgrade things. Equip. No, I don't want to equip. Start. No, I don't want to start as well. Upgrade, of course. Okay, let's little tank. Oh, special cats, of course. Wait. Back. Isn't rare cats? Back. Special cats. Oh, here he is. Little wall cat. Oh my god, he's insane looking. Oh, we don't have enough. Oh, yes. Wait, can I? Oh my god, I got so much money now. Now he's brave. You don't want to be strong against red enemies. Oh, I'm so gonna like upgrade that guy, Pirate Cat. He's insane. Oh my god, yes. Wait, can I? Oh, that sucks. I can't. At least we got him to level 2. What's so bad in that? Come on, we can do this. Singapore. We're gonna be, attacking Singapore. I wanna get a little rubber cat. I mean, he doesn't look that much like a rubber, but he used to look more like a rubber and his just tank cat formation. Ability is area attack. Let's send 2 of these guys with him. I know he must be wrecking them. He must wreck. Okay, let's just remain zoomed in. But we don't get the full view of this cat world. And so that's a problem, you know. It's just a problem. I want to get Brave Cat. Let's see how he is. Oh my god. Please, I want Brave Cat. He's very brave, that's why. You know why? Because he's... Oh my god. Tank Cat is way too good now. But he's been switched by a swordsman cat. Oh my god, my swordsman cat is wrecking him with a wrecking ball. He's wrecking me with a wrecking ball, yeah! Oh, damn! Now I'm almost ready to get Pirateer Cat. It's not Pirateer Cat. It's just... Okay, now I should have enough. Literally enough. Fast enough. Unless this guy dies. Swordsman Cat, he's my main man. He's my man, my myth. Okay, now let's get a tank cat. Oh wait, no. Now let's spam tank cats. Because we want to. And we can. So yeah, we would. Okay, one more tank cat. Let's get lots of tank cats. Because we're tanky people. If my swordsman cats died, I'm gonna be so sad. Okay, let's get swordsman cat and a pirate cat. Oh, hey, no one kills me. No one kills me. Oh my god, they died instantly. Oh, we might have the spam swordsman cat. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, this is just bad. This is bad, oh god, it's bad. It's bad, oh god, it's bad, oh bad, oh bad. It's bad, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad, bad. Oh god. Okay, we're going to push it back. Okay, what? Why do we have a million enemies? He's destroying us, trying to destroy us. Yay, we should be good. Let's get some tank cats. I don't know why, but I will get tank cat. Let's get lots of tank cats now. One more. Oh man, we stacked up big time on them. Okay, there's a new cat waiting to be upgraded. Upgrade. What's this new cat? I want to see this new cat. Cow cat? Oh, I can't even upgrade him. Oh well, that's so sad. Wait. I don't have cat can range worker cat. Wait, worker cat wallet increase worker cat upper limit of upgrade. I want it. No, I want that, please. Oh my god, Maldives. We're going to the Maldives. Where's this? Oh, I might have forgot to equip him. Oh, wait. Escape. Yes. Equip. I genuinely forgot to equip him. Okay, yeah. Okay, wait. I want to see his information. Unit info. Thinks quick, acts quick, and uses his head. Runs like in the wild. Oh, so he's basically a fast cat. Start. The Maldives. We're gonna go to the Maldives. I wanna use, okay. That's interesting. Wait, you know what I'm gonna do? We all know what I'm gonna do. Don't we? Of course we do. Oh god, I don't think we're gonna be able to get a swordsman cat. He's like my favorite cat. He looks the coolest. Oh, show them who's boss, swordsman cat. Yay, see? He knows who to show who's boss. Let's get 2 of these little tank cats. Because I like the little tank cat. Okay, now let's get 3 of these little thingy normal cats. Okay, now let's get tank cat, and now let's get hair cat. I'm gonna call him hair cat because he just is a hair cat. He's got a lot of hair. He's fit to be a hair man. Run. You know what? Spam these guys. because there's good against red enemies. I like how the the pig's like attack is like a fatty stomp. Oh god, he wrecks. Okay, let's get this guy. We couldn't get this cow cat because I just couldn't. Okay, so guys, this should be it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.